Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Richmondville, Michigan, a quiet community in Sanilac County. This small town is known for its rural charm, farmland, and friendly neighborhoods. Richmondville's history dates back to the 1800s, when settlers arrived to farm the fertile land and establish local businesses. Over the years, Richmondville has kept its peaceful atmosphere while growing into a close-knit township with strong community spirit. Farming remains central to life here, shaping the culture and economy of the area. The town blends history, nature, and community pride in a way that makes it memorable. Whether you're here to experience rural Michigan life, explore local history, or simply enjoy the countryside, Richmondville has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Richmondville, Michigan. Thanks for watching!